The British Indian Ocean Territory. The site of a joint military facility of the United Kingdom and the United States. The only inhabitants are US and British military personnel and associated contractors, who collectively number around 3,000. The forced removal of Chagossians from the Chagos archipelago occurred between 1968 and 1973. The Chagossians, then numbering about 2,000 people, were expelled by the UK government to Mauritius and Seychelles to allow the United States to build a joint UK-US military base there. Today, the exiled Chagossians are still trying to return, pointing out that the forced expulsion and dispossession was illegal, but the UK government has repeatedly denied them the right of return. The islands are off limits to Chagossians, casual tourists, and the media. Since the 1980s, the government of Mauritius has sought to regain control over the Chagos archipelago, which was separated from the then British colony of Mauritius by the UK in 1965 to form the British Indian Ocean Territory. A 2019 advisory opinion of the International Court of Justice called for the islands to be given to Mauritius. Since this, the United Nations General Assembly and the International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea have reached similar decisions. The British Indian Ocean Territory is one of only two British territories where traffic drives on the right, the other being Gibraltar. Maldivian mariners knew the Chagos Islands well. In Maldivian law, they are known as Folawai or Holawi. According to southern Maldivian oral tradition, traders and fishermen were occasionally lost at sea and got stranded on one of the islands of the Chagos. Eventually they were rescued and brought back home. However, these islands were judged to be too far away from the seat of the Maldivian crown to be settled permanently by them. Thus, for many centuries the Chagos were ignored by their northern neighbors. The islands of Chagos archipelago were charted by Vasco da Gama in the early 16th century, and then claimed in the 18th century by France as a possession of Mauritius. They were first settled in the 18th century by African slaves and Indian contractors brought by Franco-Mauritians to found coconut plantations. In 1810, Mauritius was captured by the United Kingdom, and France subsequently ceded the territory in the Treaty of Paris in 1814. In 1965, the United Kingdom split the Chagos archipelago from Mauritius and the islands of Aldabra, Farquhar and Desroches from the Seychelles to form the British Indian Ocean Territory. The purpose was to allow the construction of military facilities for the mutual benefit of the United Kingdom and the United States. The islands were formally established as an overseas territory of the United Kingdom on the 8th of November, 1965, a few weeks after the decision to detach the Chagos archipelago from Mauritius. The United Nations General Assembly passed Resolution 2066 on the 16th of December 1965. Which stated its belief that this detachment of part of the colonial territory of Mauritius was against customary international law as recorded earlier in the Declaration on the Granting of Independence to Colonial Countries and Peoples of the 14th of December 1960. This stated that any attempt aimed at the partial or total disruption of the national unity and the territorial integrity of a country is incompatible with the purposes and principles of the Charter of the United Nations. Largely because of the detachment of the islands, the International Court of Justice determined in 2019 that the decolonization of Mauritius was still not lawfully completed. Mauritius became an independent Commonwealth realm in March 1968 and subsequently became a republic. Also within the Commonwealth, in March 1992, on the 23rd of June 1976, Aldabra, Farquhar and Desroches were returned to the Seychelles, which became independent as a republic on 29 June 1976. The islands now form part of the Outer Islands district of the Seychelles. Subsequently, the territory has consisted only of the 6 main island groups comprising the Chagos archipelago. In 1966, the UK government purchased the privately owned copra plantations and closed them. Over the next 5 years, the British authorities forcibly and clandestinely removed the entire population of about 2,000 people, known as Chagossians, from Diego Garcia and 2 other Chagos atolls, Peroz Banhas and Solomon Islands, to Mauritius. In 1971, the United Kingdom and the United States signed a treaty, leasing the island of Diego Garcia to the U.S. military for the purposes of building a large air and naval base on the island. The deal was important to the UK government, as the United States granted it a substantial discount on the purchase of Polaris nuclear missiles, in return for the use of the islands as a base. The strategic location of the island was also significant at the center of the Indian Ocean, and to counter any Soviet threat in the region. During the 1980s, Mauritius asserted a claim to so